Hi and welcome back to the channel. So one thing we've quickly realised since buying our motorhome is that storage is absolutely everything. It doesn't matter how much space you have, and we've got quite a lot. Once you start loading in chairs, tables, hoses, cables, barbecues and all your other essentials, it soon starts to disappear. So today we're fitting the Starflex modular storage system, and we're really excited to see how much more organised our garage and ski lockers can become. If you haven't come across Starflex before, it's a modular system that's designed to make the most of the space in your motorhome or campervan. The best thing about it is it's completely customisable. The rails can be brought in several sizes to fit your own space, and you can add drawers, hooks, brackets and other accessories. So everything you need can be packaged to what you want in your garage space. First job was assembling all the components. We bolted the brackets onto the drawers and put the whole system together before offering it up to the motorhome. It's really well thought out kit, and once everything was assembled you could really see how smoothly the drawers would operate.
Here we are, just lining up the boxes. So we opted for 400 by 600, and we've also got some 400 by 300s still to decide what configuration we're going to use. The drawers slide in and out really easily. Obviously bear in mind they're not fixed or anything here, so the runners are really smooth.
Our Bursner has quite unusual ski lockers. At first glance it doesn't look too bad, but there's a lip at the front and then the locker narrows before opening into a much larger space inside. It means you simply can't slide the drawer system straight in. To make things even more interesting, the lockers on each side were slightly different. So they both needed measuring separately and a slightly different approach to fitting. After a few fit tests and adjustments and plenty of head scratching, we finally got the first drawer exactly where we wanted it. And once we were happy with the position, we secured it in place using Flex, so it wasn't going to go anywhere. This was simply a case of repeating the whole process on the opposite side. It don't make any difference in my video.
I didn't put it on for your benefit, sweetheart. I put it on so I could see. So now we're fitting the Starflex rails and the poles. So the rails are really handy. We bought them in 990 lengths, and they can be cut down to your needs. So it's just a case of measuring up and then screwing them to the walls. All the screws are supplied. The poles are extendable and really lightweight, so perfect aluminium lightweight poles. The idea for us is this just frees up the dead space at the top of the garage, so for us we can stack the chairs, awning parts and bits and pieces like that. The main part that we're doing is just measuring up, measure twice, just to try and make sure we get everything in the right place. I had already cut these down because for us we didn't need them to go all the way down, so it just utilised from the Starflex site buying the longer lengths which Mark advised, and then we trimmed them up and we got sort of like 2 or 3 bits out of each length. So now we're just finishing up getting the poles in, measuring the last few bits. You can see from the light in the background it's actually starting to get darker, but utilising our lights in the garage area, and Vicky actually then helps with her torch.
I'm going to wrap up the video now. I want to say a massive thank you to Mark at Starflex. We met him at the Campervan Camp Out show, went through what we wanted for our motorhome and dispatched what we needed. We've since ordered some extra bits and they were really quick to dispatch those. He has been on the end of the phone with any questions, sending us videos and photos in how to install this. So great shout out to him. His details will be along the bottom of the screen. And again, thank you for watching, and like and subscribe.